Hi, my name's Jennifer Cotita, and I am a registered dietitian on the diabetes education team. I provide diabetes education for patients in the different practices throughout Norton. I just really enjoy helping people and want to keep them as healthy as possible so that they can live a long and healthy life. I help assist patients with meal planning and teach them how to use their medications accordingly so that they can better manage their diabetes. I am from Louisville, Kentucky. I went to the University of Kentucky. I got into nutrition because I enjoy healthy eating and exercise, and I wanted to be able to provide patients with that care as well. I enjoy spending time with my family. I love to be outside, hiking, biking, and just being outdoors.